This final air system subject is building temperature control thermostats. There are three basic types of thermostats, and there is no best. Wall-mounted thermostats may be pneumatic, electric, or electronic. A building automation system may have a wall-mounted temperature sensor which delivers a temperature signal to the building automation system. How a thermostat works. Pneumatic control requires a 20 psi control pressure to function. This controlled air is supplied by a pneumatic controlled air compressor. The wall-mounted type uses a 3 to 15 psi output signal to control either a damper, cooling, and/or heating coil control valve to provide modulation of temperature control. Most heating, ventilation, and air conditioning thermostats are direct acting. This means if the room temperature rises above the set point, an output PSI increases to return the room to set point temperature. If the room temperature falls below the set point, the output decreases to return the room to set point temperature. The pneumatic control air pressure provides the required 20 psi signal for the building temperature controls. How a thermostat works. An electric thermostat requires a low voltage to function. It is usually used for an on-off function. It may position a damper, open a cooling or heating valve, or energize a heating coil or direct expansion cooling system. Electric may have fan and control selector switch. If it is controlling a fan-driven device, a selector switch may allow the occupant to select continuous or intermittent fan operation. If continuous is selected, the fan will be energized and heating will occur. If intermittent is selected, the fan will only energize when heating or cooling is called for. Other selectors on a thermostat may have heat, auto, cool, and off positions. On heat, only heat can be selected. On cool, only cool can be selected. On auto, heat or cool may be selected. When the temperature control is selected off, the fan may run continuously, but neither heat or cool will occur. An electronic thermostat requires a low voltage to operate. It can be used for on-off or modulating control functions. It may position a damper, open a cooling or heating control valve, or energize an electric heating coil or direct expansion cooling system. These are usually direct acting. The electronic may also send a signal to a building automation system, which provides the control function. When used as part of a building automation system, it may act as a wall-mounted temperature sensor with no local selection or control signal. I hope this explanation helps you understand how thermostats work. Take care now. Bye.